Welcome back
to the Ohana Abroad.
I'm Alex.
I'm Abby.
And before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
And don't forget about the bell button. Ding. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 unheard of things to do at Disneyland Resort during the holiday time.
We're here at Tiki Sams.
First location. It's a hidden gem, but an even bigger hidden gem when you find out they have holiday drinks.
Contemplation on what the drinks will taste like. Who will know?
This is a
Peppermint bark.
It has a
Peppermint bark rim.
Yep, kind of like candy cane, basically.
Yeah.
The first tip we give about this drink is make sure to drink it directly from the cup, so you get that peppermint taste while you're drinking it.
Exactly. Not from the straw, from the rim. Whoa. Real minty. I like that one.
They also have these other holiday drinks.
First drink we have was the peppermint barks. It had El Dorado 8-year rum, Rumple Mints, peppermint schnapps, ginger syrup, lemon juice, cocoa real cream of coconut and mint leaves, and a pomegranate juice, garnished with candy cane rim. And the second one they have on there is ginger snaps, Hendrick's gin, Canton ginger liqueur, lemon juice, ginger syrup, and cinnamon syrup.
If you like ginger, this is definitely the drink for you.
Yeah. And the Jungle All the Way has Fernet Branca. It's like a leaf. It's like tastes like black licorice.
Yeah.
With Kahlua, lime juice, pineapple juice, and coconut cream. We don't like that because we don't like black licorice. But if you like black licorice, that's the drink you should get.
Second on our list here is Grand California. Inside they have multiple things you can do and see.
Walking inside the main lobby, you will find these.
And these.
And that is a fudge pop, and this is a gingerbread little shot glass full of rum chata. That's what I got. It has candy canes on the rim, and they also have 2 types of different various of alcohols, like Bailey's and 2 other ones. And then they have various of cookies.
They also have hot chocolate, milk, and hot apple cider. There are 2 other things that you can see in here. And the first one is a ginormous Christmas tree with amazing lights and an incredible view.
And the second thing is the big gingerbread house that they have. It's built after the
Grand California, and it's humongous, and it also has Chip and Dale in the front. I'm not sure what they do with it afterwards, if they like give it to people to eat, but I really want to try it.
At the Redwood Creek Challenge, you will find
Santa Claus.
our third stop.
So you just come in here and you can come meet Santa Claus, and also they have a pin trading board in the front.
When you walk in, they will give you a pamphlet, and it shows you all the little treats you can go get.
Also has some fun games on here, little riddles. It also has some fun songs that you guys can sing along with.
Our fourth stop is the Festival of Holidays.
You guys can buy these little tabs, and it comes with 8, and each food gets 1 tab.
And we just got the Festival of Holidays Sip and Savor Pass, and it was $56. But if you have an annual pass, it's only $51.
So it comes out to $102 for us. We also got these really cool lanyards with them. You see those? Those are cool. We're probably going to put pins on those, so it's really exciting. We also got this pass holder button here. Those are really cute. I like those. You?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
And it also came with this tasting passport. So let's go show you some food.
And we will make another video for that kiosk and all that.
Look up below and it'll show you a link to that. We're here at our last location at It's a Small World. We're going to show you where to take your best pictures at.
You're going to have to go to the gift shop by the strollers. That's the best location to get the best quality video of the lights and the best pictures.
Thanks guys for watching another one of our videos.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And leave us a comment down below.
Ohana out.